Movanah heritage, movanah heritage, movanah heritage, Zimbabwe. Movanah heritage, movanah heritage, movanah heritage.
At Movanah Heritage Birds and Eggs Zimbabwe, we've got everything you need for meat production and breeding. We supply white Peking ducks, Muscovy ducks, silver apple ducks, black Swedish ducks, guinea fowls, Hanga, roadrunner chickens, and black astrolop chickens. Healthy birds, strong breeds, proven results. Kurima huku, kurima hanga, kurima madada, ndiko kurima mari. You can simply WhatsApp us on +263 771 251 460, +263 771 251 460, or you can simply call us on 0786 180 422.